In this video, I'm going to show you how to record a guitar on BandLab Mobile. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to open up one of your projects or just create a new one. I'm going to do that right now. So I'm going to tap on Open Studio at the bottom right. And from here, as you can see, it's going to allow you to create a new track, and you want to tap on where it says guitar, the second option. Now, if you're already inside a project, you simply want to tap on the plus button top left where you can see all your tracks. Tap on that. It's going to pop up the exact same page which says new track, and then just tap on guitar, which is the second one over here. Now from here, as you can see, it's going to give you a guitar track, and this is where you can basically go ahead and start recording your guitar. So you can go and just tap on the record button at the bottom, and you can just go ahead and basically start playing your guitar like this, and it's going to get recorded. Now right now, of course, it's recording my voice because I'm not playing a guitar, but if you were playing your guitar, of course, it would just pick up your guitar, and then you'd be able to press the stop button at the bottom, and it would add that in here. If I tap on the X button top right, as you can see, here's now my recording, and if you're playing your guitar, that's basically how you could record your guitar on BandLab Mobile. And of course, you could then go ahead and do whatever you want with that. You could go to the bottom left, tap on that settings button, and then from here inside your guitar, you can see you'll be able to change anything. So at the top right of that blue block, you can see there's like those three dots. You can tap on that, you can add on effects, you can duplicate that, you can change colors, you can export, you can do whatever you want in here, and then of course mix it. You can add in your beats, different instruments as well by tapping on the plus button just below your guitar over here. You could add in voice, audio, different instruments, samplers, etc. Okay, so that's basically how you record guitar on BandLab Mobile. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.